Hi guys, Wix and Squarespace are two of the most popular cloud-based website builders today. But which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I'll explain the main differences between Wix and Squarespace, and we'll consider 6 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. We'll leave the link in the description, you can use it, and you can start with a free version, and if you like it more, you can upgrade, risk-free. And thank you for using the links in the description. So let's find out which is better for you. For the page editor, both Wix and Squarespace are great options for building a professional looking website without any coding experience. If you're someone who wants complete freedom in designing your website, then Wix is the way to go. With their drag and drop editor, you can easily move any element to any location on your web page with pixel level precision. This feature is particularly beneficial for beginners who are still figuring out the ropes of website building. And don't worry about making mistakes. Wix's intuitive editor allows you to undo any previous versions and recover any content in case of unforeseen circumstances. Now let's move on to Squarespace. Unlike Wix's flexible drag and drop feature, Squarespace's drag and drop feature is more structured and section based. While this may limit your creative freedom, it makes it easier for users to drop elements into specific columns and rows, providing a more organized and structured look to your website. With a little bit of practice, you'll find that it's just as easy to maneuver as Wix's drag and drop editor. And for the SEO tools. To boost your website's visibility on search engines, you need to optimize it with the right keywords and strong content. Both Wix and Squarespace offer tools to help you with this crucial task. Wix provides a built-in SEO whiz feature that gives users complete control over meta titles, descriptions, and custom URLs. However, Google Analytics is only available with paid plans. Similarly, Squarespace enables users to manage meta titles, descriptions, and custom URLs. Plus, Google Analytics is included in all plans. But it's worth noting that some older Squarespace templates may present difficulties in customizing page titles. And for the structured versus unstructured design. When it comes to design, Squarespace's structured approach may be more appealing to novice users. This means that column, row, and box locations are predetermined and can only be placed in certain page locations. On the other hand, Wix offers a more unstructured page building experience that allows users to place design elements exactly where they want them. This provides unlimited creative design freedom for those using it. It ultimately comes down to personal preference, but if you're looking for complete creative control, Wix is the way to go. Additionally, Wix's artificial design intelligence tool can automatically generate a design for you based on a brief introductory survey. While it may not be perfect on the first try, it can serve as a solid starting point. And for the blogging. If you're planning to use your website for blogging, you might be wondering what platform is the better choice. Well, in this regard, Squarespace has a slight edge. With Squarespace, you can start your blog right after building your website. It comes with a range of useful features including scheduling, tagging, comment moderation, categories, and drafts. Plus, you can collaborate with other authors on a single post. Wix also offers a set of handy blogging features including standard scheduling, tagging, and category functionality. On top of that, there are many free apps and integrations available to boost your online presence. So both platforms have something to offer for bloggers. It's just a matter of choosing the one that suits your needs best. And for the apps and integrations. When it comes to features, Wix and Squarespace are evenly matched. However, if you're looking to take things up a notch, both platforms offer a range of apps and integrations to enhance your website's functionality. Wix boasts a dedicated app market that offers a variety of apps made by both Wix and third-party developers. From Wix Bookings to Printful and Instagram, there are over 500 free and paid apps to choose from. This provides you with the flexibility to select the features that best suit your website as it evolves. On the other hand, Squarespace mainly offers features that are built in-house and readily available to the editor. This means that everything you need to build, grow, and manage your website is right at your fingertips. However, for certain features that Squarespace doesn't have in-house, such as online reservations, it relies on third-party integrations like OpenTable. And for the pricing? Squarespace offers a range of plans to suit various needs and budgets. The first plan is the personal plan, which costs $16 per month, and you can save 30% annually. The plan is perfect for individuals who want to create a beautiful, mobile-optimized website. You get fully customizable templates to choose from and a free custom domain, making it easy for your audience to find you online. The second plan is the business plan, which costs $23 per month and saves you 30% annually. This plan is ideal for those looking to grow their audience and begin taking payments. You get everything that comes with a personal plan, as well as advanced website analytics and fully integrated e-commerce, complete with a 3% transaction fee. Next up is the commerce-based plan, which costs $27 a month, saving you 25% annually. This plan is perfect for selling tools that help grow your business. You get all the features of the business plan along with a powerful merchandising tool and checkout on your domain. The best part? There are no transaction fees. Finally, we have the Commerce Advanced plan, which costs $49 per month, saving you 24% annually. This plan is designed for advanced sellers who need all the tools necessary to succeed online. You get all the features of the Commerce Basic plan, along with advanced shipping, advanced discounting, and the ability to sell subscriptions. Plus, there are no transaction fees. Now let's talk about Wix. They offer a free plan where you can utilize the most basic tools. However, their paid plans are divided into two categories: website plans and business and e-commerce plans. The website plans are for when you're creating a professional website, and they range from $4.50 to $24.50 per month. Users who avail of the website plans get from 1 GB to unlimited bandwidth, up to 35 GB of storage space, up to 5 hours of video, Site Booster and Visitor Analytic apps free for an entire year, a professional logo, social media logo files, and 24/7 dedicated customer support. The business and e-commerce plans range from $17 to $35 per month, and these plans allow users not only to accept online payments, but also scale their business and access the full VIP suite. So choosing between Wix and Squarespace depends on your business and your needs. Both tools come with advantages and disadvantages, so there's no best solution. It will depend on your current needs. Whichever tool you choose, we'd recommend trying the free version first, risk-free. And if you like it more, you can upgrade. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description, and that helps a lot. Thank you. And hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, leave a comment please, and click the like button. That helps too. And goodbye.